Hey guys, so my order from my gem collection PH finally arrived and I'm super excited. This is a different type of gem. I'm not used to seeing this. It's called an ametrine. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but it's a combination of amethyst and citrine. By the way, I spray this with alcohol already, so let's all be safe, making sure. And this is a loose stone. Oh, there it is. Do I open this like this?
Oh, there you go. Shoot.
And there's the stone. So I plan to have a ring done, a ring made of this. Oops, it's not clinging on. Sorry. But yeah, this is the stone and looks better in person. There we go.